Hey Cinderellas!
Hello!
How are you guys? We are back. I'm Barbie.
I'm Erica.
And today what we're gonna do is we're gonna give you another product review. We reviewed last time the CONAIR Unbound curling iron.
It sucked up the hair, do you remember?
Yeah.
We sucked it up this. This one is a different one. This one is an actual curling iron.
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a flat iron. You have baby brain.
Oh shoot. It's a flat iron. So that, you're right. All right, so look. That's why I don't know what the hell I'm talking about.
Oh my god. Last time we reviewed the 1-inch cordless curling iron from CONAIR, the Unbound. And so now we're back and we're reviewing the CONAIR Unbound flat iron, and that's what it looks like. So what we're gonna do first, we have it fully charged. It basically, when you first get it, you have to charge it for like 3 hours, so it's like fully charged.
Comes with a USB.
Here's the USB cord. There's the hole. And so you charge it for 3 hours and it's ready to be used.
It's ready to be used for 25 minutes.
Yep. So we're gonna show you first how it works, and then after that we're gonna give you, like we did last time, we're gonna give you our pros and cons, right?
Yes.
We are gonna bring in another model this time. We're gonna do maybe like my hair, which sometimes people that even do have straight hair, they tend to like flat iron their hair to make it look smoother. Like for me, I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see, but there's like a lot of frizz going on in my hair.
Freshly washed.
Yeah,
right?
it's freshly washed. I washed it yesterday. I blew it dry, and I didn't curl it. I didn't put any other heat to it except the blow dryer.
We'll go ahead and turn this bad boy on. There are 2 buttons in there, and we're gonna press it for 2 seconds.
There's actually a little pamphlet that tells you like what temperature setting you should be using. You know, it looks like that. It comes with the box. It tells you in here, so if you're not sure, but it'll tell you like the temperature that, you know, depending on the amount of hair that you have. Okay, so it's a temperature setting guide. It looks like that. There you go.
Kind of. Yeah.
There you go. Okay. It basically, if you have fragile, fine, thin hair, and like what I find, and we're both professional stylists, so we're gonna give you not only our opinion from like using it from a personal perspective, but we're also gonna give you our opinion from like a professional perspective, and whether or not this is like something you would want to keep in like your pro kit, because I think that's important to also share.
Even if it's for ourselves or for our kit,
right?
We will bounce back and see whether or not we would like it to use it for ourselves at home,
right?
Or if we found something that we like for ourselves, if it's good enough to put in our kit to use on clients.
You have fragile, fine, thin hair you can use at 280 degrees. There's 4 temperature settings in the flat iron. The medium normal hair, which is kind of like, I feel like my hair, is 320 degrees. And then the wavy curly hair is 360, and the coarse thick hair is 400. The thing to keep in mind is when you are styling hair, and if you are like maybe have one of these hair types, maybe your hair is fine, you definitely don't want to do it like a 400 temperature degrees, because you're gonna burn your hair off.
Especially if you have color treated hair, right? Artificially blonde hair. It's probably a lot drier.
Yeah.
And so you definitely don't want to put so much heat on it because it could potentially burn.
My hair is like more normal. It's not like super fine. When I think of like fragile or fine hair, I think of like blonde hair. I think of people that have very, very baby fine hair. So are we gonna try this on you afterwards?
Ooh.
With flat irons, you can do 2 things. You can wave, you can curl, and you can straighten.
What do you want?
Give me a wave.
All right, I'm gonna take about a 1 inch. It could very well be that it's not as hot.
You know what? Let's make it a little hotter. I think that like companies will tell you something on their pamphlet to protect themselves, like,
right,
you know?
Right.
And guys, this is like not a sponsored ad. This is not a sponsored video. We're just giving you a real life opinion on what we think of this product.
Right.
Yeah.
Because let's say somebody who doesn't know how to use a product like this, a straightener, will go to the highest setting, and then you've all seen the videos where they go like this and it's too hot, and then they burn their hair off at their top or whatever, and they can blame the company and whatnot. So I'm sure that's what the disclaimer is for, to kind of give you a guide, but you're gonna have to use your own discretion, because that didn't really do much. Yeah, didn't do much. So we're gonna pump up the heat. There's a little button in there. We're gonna press that to the next setting, 360. So we'll see how long it takes. All right, so this is gonna go in the cons, but I have to address it now because it's bothering me.
Yeah.
Is that there's no indicator light that says it's ready at 360 degrees. Like it should have maybe like turn green or something when it heats up to that point, because right now I'm just like waiting and I'm not sure. I guess we're gonna have to wait for like a minute. So we waited. So here we go, let's try it again.
We're not gonna do the whole head with all the waves or curls or whatever. I'm gonna show you how it straightens also. It still doesn't move.
It doesn't glide nice. Yeah, ooh, painful.
Ouch.
Sorry.
Okay, maybe we won't curl it.
All right, let me just straighten a piece.
Okay.
Let's see how that works out, because that did not glide as well as I thought it was going to.
So I think that if you're a pro stylist and you're looking at this product, the idea of like having something cordless is very like exciting, but I don't think this is gonna give you, like if you're doing multiple heads, this is not the product for you.
I honestly would not use anything cordless on a client if I'm at a wedding or anything like that, because I don't trust it.
Good.
The straightening looks good.
Yeah.
The curling, it was not gliding nice. Let me try it again. Let's see. Let me go this way.
Oh, you're gonna curl again?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
My hair
Let's
is
see.
crying.
All right, well, that's not bad. I'm not mad at it.
Let me try the other side.
Go ahead. You know what? Maybe it's easier for her to do her own. Let's see. I don't normally curl with a straightener because I find that the hair grips a lot when doing that. Unless it's like that virgin hair that has no product, it has no hair color.
It's a curl here. Look.
Yeah.
It's like a little wave.
I think for straightening it did really nice.
That's I think what we'll focus on. I think I can go up a little bit on the temperature.
I think so too.
I think like although my hair may not be fully thick, it is coarse and I feel like I need more heat. And I think that once I put more heat.
So for straightening is good. And I did mine's a little bit with the curling and it was fine. But again, it took off a lot of my, see I had a lot more volume.
I think when you pull, when you're styling and you pull the hair, even when you're pulling like this, it is gonna take away some of your volume. But the nice thing is that like straightening, it actually works really well.
Yeah, it does. It does. And you know, it provides, it gives a lot of shine to the hair.
And that's important, especially for me. I have color treated hair, so I feel like it's nice to have. I like also how it feels in my hand. It's not making it super hot, like where it's burning, and it feels really nice.
It feels soft. The hair feels very soft afterwards.
Yeah, it does. It actually really does.
Yeah. So for straightening,
here, let me try it on
good.
you. Why are you scared of me trying this on your hair?
Don't. No, not at the root.
Oh.
I have my products in there. I have my secrets. I have all my secrets at my roots.
See how gently I'm doing this for her? There it goes. So this does work very nicely.
Now, I will note, my hair is more virgin than hers because I let mine grow out. So my hair, although it does have product in it, it doesn't have a lot of color treatment or anything to it. So maybe that is the difference why mine curls a little bit easier.
I also have texturizing spray.
I do too.
You do?
I have a lot.
Look, see, that looks really nice actually.
This is
your straight hair. This is your waves. Look at that.
I can't see.
Yeah, look, it's all wavy.
Dark. I can't see. I have glasses.
You're blind. That's what
I
it
am
is.
somewhat.
All right.
It's me looking into the future. It's good for curling.
Yeah.
If you have short hair, if you have maybe non-color treated hair, but that goes I think for a lot of straighteners, right?
Yeah.
If you're curling your hair, you have with the straightener, you have to practice because it's not the easiest to do.
No.
It's an acquired skill, I think.
Yeah, I agree.
So-
All right, should we get Ishika?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be right back. We're gonna go get my curly hair child.
Yes.
I'm gonna straighten her hair.
Hi, I'm Ishika, Life with Ishika, my YouTube channel. You're so bad. If you want to see my more extraness, go to my YouTube channel, Life with Ishika.
Life with Ishika has nice big curly hair. She just brushed it out. We're going to try this straightener out on Ishika's hair. You ready? It's at 400 degrees. Okay, so that's at 400 degrees. For Ishika's hair, we might need higher temperature, I think. I guess this is the gentle way to do it, to straighten hair, but you might be here for a little bit.
After this, I'm just going to straighten my whole head.
I'm gonna leave you with one half of your head straight and the other half curly for virtual learning. Everybody will see your half a head. So if you have the time and 25 minutes, without having to plug it back in, then it's okay. But if you're in a rush and you have curly hair, I don't know. I might go into labor finishing this hair.
It's horrible.
Just take it. And I won't deny, it looks nice and shiny. It feels very soft, but you have to pass through it a lot of times. And that part I'm not crazy about. How does it feel?
I like it so much.
So we just finished styling my hair, your hair, Ishika's hair, and we have some reviews, we have pros, and we have cons for you guys.
Right.
I paid $63.99 plus tax. It was like $68. And we're gonna now give you our pros and our cons.
It's that time.
Let's go. Okay, so first things first.
This is the box that it came in.
The thing that I noticed that it was missing, so the cord came in here, which is the wireless USB cord, which is one of our pros. It's missing a cover.
Like a pouch, somewhere to keep it together.
I guess pro number one is it is wireless. You don't have to like trip over your own wire. You don't have to find a place to plug it in. You can charge it with this nice USB cord that has a little wrap it and take it with you on the go. I do my makeup a lot in the car. My hair, I try to do it before I leave the house because of the whole wire situation. Pro number one was that it's wireless and cordless. I love that. It's portable.
It makes the hair shiny. That was a nice added bonus there because sometimes when you use these flat irons, your hair can get a little dull looking.
So it adds shine because of the titanium plate. So that's pro number two. It's very lightweight. It's slim, so it actually can fit in your bag. And for those of you who will get the right package, you'll get like a sleeve that will cover it. So last time we compared the curling iron, the portable curling iron, the Unbound, a bottle of toner, and we're gonna do the same thing here. So this is much bigger. It's a much longer tool than the other one was. So in a way, part of me wishes it was slightly a little bit smaller. And number four, a price point. It's pretty affordable. It's like $64, $65.
Yeah.
Very inexpensive. If you're looking for something on the go and you don't need to have to plug in all the time, especially like if you're traveling out of country, this is probably a good tool for that because it also it's a USB, right? So as long as you can plug your USB anywhere, you're going to be able to, so it's travel friendly.
So my first con that just kind of bugged me was that there's no indicator light that says when the flat iron is at the temperature that you set it at.
So like when you turn it on, you can see it this part illuminates like it's like a light that tells you the number of the temperature. You won't know if it's like ready to go or not.
Right. If you're watching out there, manufacturers of this, have the light change color when it's ready, like maybe turn green when it's ready to, when it's hot at that temperature. That would make it a lot easier to know that it's ready to go.
Con number two, it says it has like a safety lock, which is the lock down here. It's supposed to kind of clamp it together, and there's a safety lock right there. So now it's locked, but as soon as you move it, like even a smidge, the safety lock does not work that good.
You see,
it's kind of like disappointing.
It's to prevent you from getting burned when it's shutting down, I'm assuming, or you're turning it on, but it doesn't stay closed.
No.
And when it is closed, it's not really closed all the way, so like finger can go in there. That's definitely finger space.
So the safety lock does not really work.
All right, next one.
Yeah.
It shuts off after 25 minutes.
Yeah, so if you're pro hairstylist and you take longer than 25 minutes to style someone's hair, this is not the thing for you.
Barbie's here to straighten it, 25 minutes, no problem. She can use that and even do mine also if I was straightening it because I have shorter hair and it will be quick.
Right.
But when we did Ishika's hair, it took a lot longer and it wasn't hot enough. It needed to be hotter than 400 degrees.
And then con number four is the temperature setting. I think it needs to have like up to 450. Regular flat irons, they go up to 450 and you can get like more heat, especially for a thicker, coarser hair.
Right.
This one unfortunately doesn't. That's really disappointing. And that's definitely maybe a grounds for me not to like keep it, to be honest with you.
Yeah, but if you have finer hair, thinner, straight, or kind of like lightly wavy, it would be good.
Yeah.
But if your hair is more thick or coarse, you're gonna be there for a long time. You're gonna have to plug it in because 25 minutes is gonna come and go.
You heard our pros and you heard our cons. You saw us use this tool on 3 different types of hair. So we hope that you got like a lot out of this video and you'll go ahead and make your decision based off of some of what we shared with you. All right, guys.
Hope that was helpful.
Hope you enjoyed our product review.
Yes.
Stay beautiful, stay blessed. If you like this video, please definitely comment, hit the like button and share it, and make sure you're subscribed to our channel. And as always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. Love you, Cinderella.
Bye.